Aha!
Now who's spoiling who?
Good morning, Philippines!
Ito yung sinisison ko sa kanya dahil ito yung gusto ni Tamimoy, guys. Horseradish. Ano ko lang siya dito. Parang ganon. Masa-masahe, palibot-libot, tibuok kalibot-bot, ganon. Gusto kasi ni Tami yung horseradish. Lagyan na natin ng garlic powder. Powder dito sa gilid, dito, dyan. Ayan siya, diba? And then pagkatapos niyan, dito sa kabila na naman. Buti na lang nakahanap ako ng hindi malaki na ganito. Kasi mostly unlucky, guys. And ang gusto ni Tami, yung maraming skin. At kami lang namang dalawa, hindi na kailangan, di ba? So, dito, guys, lagyan ko siya ng kaunti kung ano yung natira sa kamay ko. Yun yung ano. Malinis tong kamay ko. And then, lagyan natin ng garlic powder. Hindi marami. Alam niyo bakit? Asin ang ilagay ko dito marami. Hindi marami. Asin yung priority ko dito sa skin. Kasi, yung asin kasi, siya yung magpa-crunchy. I mean, siya yung maggagawa ng magandang ano, kulay. Kulay ba yun? O hindi siya kulay. Parang chicharon. Yun. Yung skin. Lagyan natin siya ng kaunting tuyo dito sa ibabaw. Nun. And then, ganun. Konti lang talaga, guys. Kasi ayaw ko nang maging matuyo. Kasi binuboil natin siya sa may tuyo, diba? Yun, konti lang. Ano natin kung kayanin ba? Yan. And then, I have to wash my hand. Andito yung facility. Dito ko siya nilagay kasi ano, I need to put oil. Kailangan ko pala siyang lagyan ng oil, guys. Okay. May oil na siya. It's 2%. Wala. Shit. Yun lang. Hey, nako. What are you holding? What's that?
And a couple of gas, a quick XL. Bacon cheese fries.
Oh, Roxy's food. His needs.
What?
Food first. Hi, I love you.
I love you too. Have some fries.
No, hon, no, I eat a lot. I did eat a lot. You can have it for your late lunch. Nakatingin lang siya.
Not for you, Rox.
Drink yours, Bug. Bug, drink yours. Little boy. Seriously. So spoiled. So spoiled, little man. Hams, we love you so much. That's our little tiger, guys. He is our tiger. Look how his face. My tiger. So, my husband is working tomorrow. He's going to leave me instead of staying with me. He came here, guys, not because of me. He came here because of that little boy. He missed him instead of me. Ito na siya, guys. Nag-start na siya nag-brown. So, yeah. Nag-start na din yung ano niya, skin mag chicharones. Look. kailangan ko din gumawa ng video ko. Yung video ko hindi pa siya na-finalize talaga since yesterday. So, ginoo ko itong window pala namin dito. Open pala. Open pala yung window. Ay, ginoo ko. Kapitbahay pa naman is andito na area. Itong dalawa naghihintay sa ama nila sa bathroom. Lalabas. Tingnan niyo. Hala. Look, they've been lying down over there waiting for you. For some reason, they're like listening of what you're doing in there. It's like, that's not nice yet. Tell them. Tell them that's not nice. Ask them. This is Roxy. This is Misty. Dada will get some bunsi because you eat your dindini. Dindini. I can smell now, guys. Naamoy ko na, guys, yung yung lechon na amoy. Thinking, guys, kung ano yung kainin namin sa Christmas. Christmas is here.
I'd like to do broccoli rabe, but
we just did broccoli rabe.
I know.
I will probably cook asparagus with garlic, like the same thing what I always do. Are we gonna use the like preheating? Like the tent and then there's a fire under?
Yeah, you gotta buy some more sternos.
We don't have?
We're gonna few up.
Luto na siya, guys. Ano lang ako ni Sis Mera. Nag-usap kami ng matagal sa phone. And yun. Hala, yung asawa ko naglagay na ng hangin. Anyway, kakain lang kami, guys. Kasi it's 6 something already ng gabi. It's 6:20 na. Kakain lang ako. Kami, actually. Maaga si Tami aalis. Kasi yung trabaho niya is 6 o'clock in the morning, so he need to leave here like 3 o'clock. So, hi, baby. Sorry, Han. Wait, I don't know which one is the... Yeah, I know this is what I... Watch my camera. Yeah. Ala! I let him...
Do I look exactly?
You almost hold it, huh? Okay, guys, this is so good. Crunchy no. Crunchy, crunchy no. The thing over there too, one.
What's it?
The whatever.
What the? This? Right? I think. Right?
The thing in the refrigerator.
Cucumbers?
Yeah.
That thing?
Yeah.
Any other things? I told you. The thing. I keep telling you, but the thing.
Hi, Han. You should understand me, okay? If we're talking
You
about
keep saying
food,
that,
you know
it's
what's
not
the
true.
food. Don't knock my camera down. Ay, naku. Naku. Na. Pagkagahin niyo mo alimpatakandong. Hindi na yun akong bana, guys. O pagkagara-garaon.
Put my hand in front of the thing? What thing?
Whatever thing.
Because you say, don't knock over my camera. You don't say, don't knock over the thing.
Because
That has a name.
so this is our
You want to get the
dinner.
thing before you sit down?
What thing?
Aha!
What thing? What thing? Han, you don't use a thing.
I do like you. Yeah.
Just use the ice. This is our dinner thing. For kid and cucumber and rice. This is our dinner. This thing.
The thing.
I'm gonna use my hand.
To eat that thing.
Harap. Han, that thing is so good.
What was this? Ang
sarap ng skin. Wala na yung fat. The fat is gone. It's just all crunchy and
Now who's spoiling who?
come here, Miss. Come here, Misty.
She won't give the bone, but she holds it so they can each take a bite out of it. Come on, Miss, it's your turn.
Misty, come here. Misty. Come here. Look at this.
Yeah, but you gotta take it away from Roxy and give some to Misty.
Misty eat more because Misty is good. It's good digging it before Roxy came it.
I'd say you just bite your mama's arm. It's got more meat on it. And there's a bone in there too. Goofy puppies.
Oh, that's really the bone now. That's okay. That's good. That's good now. Okay, enough na. Enough na. Enough. That's good.
Okay, I guess you guys are done. Oh, little bat's gonna shut off again in a second.
Okay. Where is Dada now going to sleep now, huh? Where is Dada's going to sleep now, huh? Hmm?
That's not my problem.
Where you think Dada's going to sleep now? I guess we're going to bed. My husband left me here. He put lipstick before we go to bed. Oh no, lipstick na, lipstick na. Allah.
Do not step on knobs. You give him a kiss goodnight, that's fine, but you don't step on him. I know you've been going to
Not
think
me.
you are. That's enough. You gave him a kiss, you're good. You don't have to like soak him.
What does he know? Okay, yes. We're gonna go to bed, guys. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Good night, Han. Good night, guys.
Night, guys.
Good night, Bug. Good night, guys. Pahinga kami maaga pastami bukas. See you tomorrow. Bye.